And the race is on. Smart and Noble from the outside is Idol. Borong moving up by Daryl. Jaden Diamond rushing up is Dapit Hapon. And racing in fifth is No Boundary. Running by Daryl, Work of Heart, New Golden City, Escapo, and Especially Discreet. It's Smart and Noble, followed by Dapit Hapon. Jaden Diamonds racing third by Daryl, and running in fourth by about 2 lengths the favorite Idol Borong. And rounding the far turn, Smart and Noble, Dapit Hapon, Idol Borong is on the outside. 3 runners fighting up for the lead. Dapit Hapon, this time by Anek. Idol Borong on the outside as they swing for home. Dapit Hapon by Anek. Idol Borong on the outside fighting up for the lead. This time moves up to grab the lead. It's now Idol Borong, followed by Dapit Hapon, No Boundary, Especially Discreet, New Golden City, and finally Idol Borong, No Boundary, New Golden City, Dapit Hapon. And for your Pentafecta is